onions. This one was one of the easiest vegetable grow that I made here. With just an 8-gallon growing bag, no diseases at all, regular growing, the regular care as well as I give to the other plants here, and even as a test, because it was my first time with onions, throughout all the summer the onions could grow up very easy. I'm on night bee zone, so it's warm and dry zone here, and basically I used regular pot soil with at the beginning organic solid fertilizer and a bit later a 10-10-10 solid fertilizer as well. Then regularly I used liquid fertilizer just for the vegetables, as I do with all other vegetables here. I spray neem oil with the insecticidal dish regularly in all my plants, so the onions as well. And although they didn't have any disease or pests, I saw some white flies hanging around, but with the neem oil and this insecticidal dish, it solved and never harmed any of my onions. To repeat, because it was a success. And now I just sew more because entering the autumn, it's the best time to start to seed this. I'll use this piece of the shelf that comes with any of these greenhouses. Then I will use this with a bit more of compost mix for another plant.